Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture in the Automata Theory and Compiler Design. In this lecture, we will be discussing about the regular language. Regular language. A language is said to be a regular language if and only if some finite state machine recognizes it. So what languages are not regular? So we will see how the languages are not regular and in which case the languages is regular. The language which are not recognized by an finite state machine and the language which requires more memory is said to be non-regular. Memory of finite state machine is very limited, so it cannot store or count string. So based on this case, we can understand whether the regular language is regular or not regular. Let us move on to an example. Suppose I have the language of the form A, B, A, B, B and A, B, A, B, B. The rule followed in the language is first five letters. The first five letters is repeated again. So in order to repeat this letter again, we need a memory. We know already the finite state machine have very limited memory. So it cannot be designed using finite state machine and hence we will call it as not regular. Let us move on to the next example. This means next example A power n and B power n. What does it mean? This means the number of A's should be equal to the number of B's. In order to repeat, we need a memory. Suppose I have 3 A's, then it should be followed by 3 B's. So we have to keep the count in track. So it will be very hard to keep the count of the number of A's that should be equal to the count of number of B's. So we will call it as not regular.